Before we get this new NintenDIY tutorial started, I just wanted to clarify a lot of things because a lot of people don't know that Nintendo has this really cool thing on their website, and I wanted to share it with you guys just in case you guys are looking for ways to spice up your home or projects that are themed Nintendo. It is all free. And it's so crazy to think that they don't promote it as much as they should, because this section of their website is really awesome. The section that I'm talking about on the Nintendo website is called Play Nintendo, and it's a lot of printable projects, activities, DIYs. I know that it kind of leans towards the younger crowd, but there are ways to spice up these DIYs. It's all free. It's so crazy. So I will link that part of the Nintendo website down below in the description. And like I said, this will be a continuous series where we occasionally check in to see what else they've added to the Play Nintendo section of their website. These are super cute. Woo. All I did was go on their website, download it, print it out, and then glued everything together. This is so cute to display in your home. So definitely stay tuned for this NintenDIY, and I'm so excited to start this series. So let's begin. It's finally here, guys, the first episode of NintenDIY Play Nintendo. I am so excited to finally debut this episode. It's really fun, easy, and free, which is crazy. All you have to do is print out the forms that are on the Nintendo website. Like I said in the beginning, we will find ways to utilize this DIY to the max, so don't worry. If you happen to be a really young kid and you are using tools that maybe you shouldn't, definitely ask your older brother or sister or even your parents to help you out. So what I love about Play Nintendo is that the instructions are there on the printout, and it's really easy to follow. So of course with this one, the first step was actually cutting it out on the brown line. And once you're done cutting every single piece out of the printable, it's time to fold along the dotted lines. Depending on the paper that you're using, mine was actually really stiff to use. I have a really strong printer, and the paper I use is actually really stiff. So instead of just folding it on the dot, I grabbed an X-Acto and just cut a little bit on the surface of the paper so it's easier to fold. So if you have this problem, this is definitely one solution that you can use when trying to fold the pieces of paper. This DIY is perfect because the timing is absolute. Mario Maker 2 is coming out very soon, and yes, I will be playing it with you guys. I am so excited for this game, so this is the perfect way to celebrate and display it with your Nintendo Switch. Not only are you building worlds in Mario Maker 2, but you can build worlds in your living room. Once you've folded all the flaps that you need, next is to glue everything together. Keep in mind, the glue that I'm using right now is just something that I had available. For you, I will list various types of different glue that will work with paper down in the description below with the Amazon link. So all you have to do is click the link, put it in your cart, and then you can check out. So not only do these make really cute decorations, but you can use these for parties as well. Before you glue in the last flap, definitely put something inside the box, whether it be a note, a piece of candy, anything inside, and then the people can just, I guess, rip it open. I don't know. Either way, it's perfect for Mario Maker 2. As per usual, if you happen to make any NintenDIYs or DIYs, share it with me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I would love to share it with all the Amiibros out there, and I love to see how creative you guys get. So again, check out all the links down below in the description, including my Patreon, where you can get custom Amiibo, nerd DIYs, NintenDIYs, or if you become a member here on YouTube, you get a private link to my Discord where I talk about random things. I don't know if this will help, but instead of putting glue on the flap, for the last part, I actually put glue inside the box and then slid the flaps inside. I don't know, I really tried to avoid putting glue on my fingers. I am an artist, but I actually hate having my fingers be too messy, if that makes any sense. I don't know, I'm weird. I hope you guys enjoyed this awesome episode, the first episode of NintenDIY Play Nintendo. I hope you guys, like I said, enjoy this. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more NintenDIYs. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. I really, truly appreciate it. Don't forget to check out all the links down below in the description. They are all for you. And if you have subscribed, I will definitely see you next time.